If you want to build long-term wealth without watching or guessing if you're getting it right or stressing about a lot of things going on in the stock market, I have the perfect investment plan for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invest about 5,000 naira or less, and you will earn passive income every single day for life. So this is perfect if you have small amount of money. I want to show you how to let your money hustle for you. So imagine earning money passively. No need to check every day. You can use it in the future for so many things. That is the beauty of mutual funds. And today I am going to show you step by step. So this video is for anyone who has like 2,000 naira, 1,000 naira, 5,000 naira, and they really want to start earning money every month. I'm going to show you what you need to do. But first of all, we hit 1,000 subscribers. As a matter of fact, we are 1,000 plus 100. This is super amazing. I'm super excited. This is our balloon celebration, and I'm excited. 1,000 amazing subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for learning. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for dropping your comments. I hope today's video I'm going to answer many people's questions, because the last time I did some video on different types of low investments you can do. Most people picked mutual funds. Okay, most people picked mutual funds, and that is the reason why I want to do this. I want to teach you about it. And a lot of people, Nigerians, are sleeping on lazy money, and it's costing them the true passive wealth. So today I'm going to talk about it. Let's talk about it. Mutual fund. What is mutual fund? Why mutual fund is actually important? Let me tell you something. Is that Nigeria is hard, of course you know, but there is hope. So imagine someone, let's call him Tony. Tony has grown his money to millions by just investing 40,000 every month. Because of consistency, because of the knowledge he has about mutual fund, and all these steps you can start today. Did you hear me? I said, with all I'm telling you now, you can start today to do it. Mutual fund is like a big pot of money where everybody is contributing money. Just imagine when you go to church and it's offering time and everybody's putting money in the offering, okay? And then after putting all the money, they carry the entire basket. Say everything is in check and cash, and they cash everything out and they pull it in one investment, and they put it into an asset, and every year everybody's making money from it. Can I like to give you some description that's going to bring to home what this means. So this is a pooled investment vehicle that is managed by professionals. Okay, so just think about it that way. Everybody's bringing money. So if and for you to invest in an asset, and they say you need 5 million naira and you know you don't have it, but now this group of people are saying bring what you have. Somebody's bringing 5,000, somebody's bringing 500k, somebody's bringing 10,000, somebody's bringing 50k, and they pull everything together and put it collectively and get good return. That is what mutual fund is. Now, why am I talking about mutual fund? Because they are gaining significant traction in the capital market. And this is because over the last few years, see, 2 trillion naira has in 2023. Oh, I don't know about now, but I know that this 2 trillion would have gone to like 4 trillion. I'm very sure of that because the information has gone up and many people are investing in mutual funds. So this actually provides a simple, low cost way to invest, and you minimize your risk. So a mutual fund is actually a fund managed by professionals that pulls money from from many investors. So, like I said, you bring in 1k, 500,000, 30,000, all this money put together, and they take this money. So these are professionals. That's the first thing you should know. So they invest it in securities such as stocks, bonds, and other assets. Like I said before, they are overseen by professionals known as fund managers, and they are actually accredited by the SEC, which is the Securities and Exchange Commission in Nigeria, so that they ensure that you as an investor gets your return. That is why this is very safe. So for people who are just, starting out, this is perfect. So these are reasons why I feel like for people that have small money, this is good. First, low cost entry. With 1k, 1,000 naira, you can actually start, which is less than $1. Can you beat that? So you can't say again you don't have enough money. Two, diversification. They are putting your money in treasury bills, in mutual fund, in stocks, in so many things, bonds, and you're making profit. The third one is professional management. So now you don't know a lot of things, but these people are the gurus and they are putting your money where it matters. The fourth one is flexibility and liquidity. Hmm. Flexibility meaning you can start with any amount. It's not the one-off thing. So today you can put in 1,000. Tomorrow you can actually put in 2,000. So that limitation is not there. And this also depends on the type of account that you own. And then liquidity. If you want to take your money, you are free to take it. Most people, it's actually from 30 days. So if you feel like I want to take the money out after 30 days, you can still take your money. Then steady growth, of course, it offers you steady growth. Did you see this move? One, two, three, four. Can you see how it's this money is moving and growing? That is what happens to you. And I'm going to explain. Now, let's talk about the different types of mutual funds. It's better that you know that there are so many. I just picked these four. So the first one is money market mutual fund. So these they take your money and they invest it in short-term high quality securities like treasury bills and all of that. Then equity fund is the one they put majorly in the stock market. Then we have the bonds fund where they majorly invest in bonds. This one gives great returns, but you know, then we have the target date funds where they do stocks, bond, and other investments all combined. And they have so many of that ones. So I just wanted to mention these types. And then what do you need to do? The first thing you need to do is to open an account. So I've taken time to bring some information of some of the mutual fund companies you need to invest in. So the first one is, of course, Optimus by Afrinvest, which is my favorite. I love the fact that I can do so many things in that one app. So yes, if you say I'm being whatever, I can agree to that. So Cowrie Wise is another beautiful one, which I'm going to show you today. Mary Stem, Codros, AXA Mansard, ARM Investments, Stanbic IBTC. So if you bank with Stanbic IBTC, this is actually one I have. Stanbic IBTC, I have Codros, I have Cowrie Wise, and then Optimus by Afrinvest. You can do all of them. There's no limitation. You can use this mutual fund to do educational fund for your children. They are still tender now. You can start be putting out money. You can decide that for Optimus will be for children's educational fund. For Carrywise, it could be for your retirement. You can split them into different projects. And then in the next few years, you will see how much you have gathered. Like it's mind blowing. But there are things you need to check. You need to understand management fees. You're going to ask questions. How much are they charging? What is their management fee? Withdrawal policy. Now, I told you that some people can give you a grace of 30 days. Some people don't. So you need to know these things before. Don't just put in your money and then tomorrow you start to cry. There is a part where you need to do your own research. Okay? Very important. Now, what are the risks of mutual fund? These are the two things I feel like they are the risk that are associated with mutual fund. The first one is the fact that fund managers risk, meaning it is where the fund managers put in your money. So sometimes their knowledge and experience is what they are using to bring in this money. So sometimes if they pick the ones that did not return well, of course, that's what you get. Then the second is market risk. Sometimes there are factors like economic and market condition, economic instability, currency and interest rate fluctuation can also affect the percentage. They may have in mind to do 30% or 25 and they end up doing 22. So those are the things you need to understand and deal with it. For me, I'm okay with it. When I'm not doing the heavy lifting, they should do the hard work for me. So mutual fund can deliver solid returns for investors who are patient, informed, and disciplined, but they are for everybody. So anybody can do this. Like I said, you can do it for your children. Do it so that when they get to 20 years, 30 years, you can actually be handing them over money. Imagine that when your child is born, you're putting just 1,000 naira into this fund every month, once, meaning that in a year, you're putting 12,000 naira. By the time your child would be like 30 years old, you will be handing that child over a lot of money, something you did little by little that didn't take you anything. 1,000 can be powerful, can give you even 29 million. You think I'm kidding? I'm going to show you now. You know me. So what do you need to do? First of all, you fund your account. So whichever app you choose, whichever fund you desire, the one you prefer, fund the account and buy units. Everything you have to do is all in the app. You monitor and track. Of course, it's good to monitor, it's also good for you to track, and then you reinvest to allow compound interest. Why I love some of them is that they have option of automatic reinvestment, so I don't need to touch my interest. They don't give it to me, I put it back, so the interest is being added into the capital and my money grows faster. I've been doing mutual funds since 2017, so I have almost 10 years now that I have left my money working for me. You can also withdraw, but no, this is not a good option. I don't want you to do it for the sole purpose of withdrawing money. This should be a long-term plan for you. Please, this should be a long-term plan. Now, these are mistakes people make. No research, no plan on the tenor. You don't know whether you should do it for 5 years or 10 years. You should have a plan. I told you I started my own in 2017. I intend to leave it for 20 years. Ignoring the fees, expecting overnight, this is not an overnight thing. This is like a long-term money machine. And if you're not investing consistently, it's not, especially when you start small with 1,000 naira. But people that started with maybe like a million naira can afford to leave it for all the, for a very long time. When you start big, you can skip investing constantly. But when you start small with 1,000, you need to upgrade it. Now, let me break it down the way you understand it. 1,000 invested monthly at 20% return. In 20 years, that 1,000 will be worth 2.4 million. Now, it may not make sense to you, but if you do that same 1,000 and add another 10 years, this 2.4 million will turn to 16 million. But for the person who is doing 20,000 every month for 20 years, person will get 49 million. I also want to show you, this is Cowrie Wise and this is Optimus. For Optimus, I use a new VIP members account. So she started with 5,000 naira and she picked the APF. So you can see it's super easy. Just open your account, your app, and go to mutual fund, and you will see this option. Now, this is for CarryWise. In CarryWise, I love their own because they pick so many other companies' mutual fund and they put it all together. So this is for CarryWise. Annual return 21%. You can see United Capital Money. You can see Coral Money. You can see this Afrinvest Bluetooth. You can see APF there. So you see, Cowrywise has everything, and they have the conservative, they have for aggressive. So you can see aggressive ones. Can you see this all in one app, Cowrywise? So you see why I said you should do that. We are doing this dividend challenge in my VIP community, and I'm going to show you how to set up your own. We work on a plan that can work for you, and I give you a plan of how much you want to earn, and we work it out. I will design a special blueprint for you. So come and join us in that community. Beyond that, I want to show you something. Hang on, just hang on. All right, so this is Cowrywise. So when you click on this, go to Google Play Store and you download it. Just sign up for free. It is entirely free. So you can see all of them. See all the things I've shown you. See them all here. You can pick any one you like. If you're an aggressive person and you want to pick higher value, pick. You are free to do that. Now let me come to investment calculator. I just discovered that GT has an investment calculator which you can do in Naira. This is super amazing. I'm already used to this one that calculates in US, but I'm still going to use it. So this is 1,000 naira that you do every month for 20 years. And when your child is turning 20 years, this is how much you're getting. You're getting 2.4 million for, let me, refresh it. So this is 1 million, 20%, 20 years later. That 1,000 naira has given you 2.4 million, meaning that 240,000 is all you contributed in 20 years, but you made an extra 2.2 million. Now let's take it to 30 years. Let's say you've done this thing for 30 years for your child. Just see the difference between 20 years and 30 years. See, you're getting 15.6 million. Now let's do this for 40 years. Let's say you want to give it to your child when the child is 40 years to help the child retire. You can see the jump, 97 million. So you're still doing the same thing, but because you're working on compound interest, see the amazing amount that it has grown into. So I just want you to see that every little money counts. Let's say you even started with 1 million. Let's say you started with 1 million. Okay, I think is let me do that in a different video. Okay.